Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about how obesity affects your testosterone level. So like we discussed in the past, obesity is the disorder of excessive fat in your body. Obesity is associated with increased aromatase activity. Aromatase is an enzyme that converts testosterone to estrogen in your body. Aromatase is found in fat cells. So the more fat cell you have in your body, you have increased aromatase activity, which means your testosterone will get converted more to estrogen. So basically more fat cell, more aromatization of testosterone to estrogen. So that's when you are obese. A lot of time you have very classic symptoms of low testosterone. So to lower the aromatase activity or to lower the conversion of your testosterone to estrogen, you should focus on lowering your fat cell and increasing your muscle. So basically lower the percentage body fat, increase lean muscle mass naturally, start exercising, lift weight, improve your sleep, and overall lose weight. You can also take a supplement called DIM or DIM Plus, which improves your estrogen metabolism and lower the aromatase activity. If you have any question, give us a call and subscribe for more videos.